Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we'll speak about Germany visa types and how we can have citizenship in Germany. So let's go and start to speak about this pathway. First visa is work visa. For example, you want to work there in Germany. What do you need? First of all, a valid job offer from one German employer. It's very important that you should prove that someone needs you in Germany. So first document you need is a valid job offer, and second document is recognized qualification or relevant experience. So it means you should prove that you are expert, and you should prove that that employer needs you and you are qualified for this job. Okay, so it's very important to prove it. And after that, minimum salary, it's important that that employer give you good salary, offer you good salary, enough salary to for government to accept you. For example, if that employer give you very low salary, government doesn't accept it because they say that it cannot cover his expenses. Okay, so his or her expenses. So it's important that also you need to have good offer about salary, and you need health insurance coverage. Again, your employer should do it for you. So after you have these documents, you can go to embassy and you can start your document for work visa. And one difference between normal work visa and blue card, we have also blue card in Germany. And what's different between blue card and normal work visa? For blue card, you need to show that you are very, very, very high quality worker or expert with your certificates or qualifications. And another thing that is your salary should be very high. That means you are very professional, one expert of something, and your employer should give you or offer you very high salary. In this way, if Germany government accept that you are very important person in your niche, and they accept that you Germany needs you or that employer needs you and you're an important person, so they give you blue card. Blue card is more important than uh, work visa. So and in this case, even your citizenship will be closer to you. After 3 years, you can start for citizenship. So blue card is for special workers. We can say something like that. We have another thing which name is job seeker visa. Germany has one good rule that give you permission to come to Germany and try to find good employer. That means sometimes you cannot find job outside of Germany, so you need to come to Germany, and after that you need to try to find job. So they give you 6 months visa, which name is job seeker visa. But again, you need certificates, qualifications. For example, bachelor, master. You need to be very educated. In that case, they give you job seeker if government accept all of your provements that you are qualified person. So they give you also this visa to come, spend time, and find good job for yourself. We have another kind of visa for students and also school students visas, that means for pupils. So student visa is very normal. First of all, you will uh, start one university. You will send your documents to one university. After they accept you with that letter, you can go to embassy and start your document process. And in that case, with student visa, you can also work. You can have job 120 full days or 240 half days per year. You can have job, you can earn money and cover your expenses with this visa. And after that, also you have chance to change your visa to job seeker, or if you find job directly, work visa, or even what was the name, blue card. After you finish your university, after you are graduated, you can um, start for your blue card. How about school students? If your family prove that they can handle your expenses, they can give money for accommodation, for food, for your school expenses. If they can prove that you have enough money, you can study as an pupil in Germany. So even without or before university, you can start to study inside Germany, but it needs also some qualification of bank. You should show amount of money, and you will have this kind of visa also. Business and family reunification. Business is normal if you are freelancer, or if you want to start your business, or if you have business outside of Germany, you can ask visa for business visa. And for example, you're an entrepreneur, you want to have your own business in Germany, or you are freelancer, both of them, you can have self-employment or business visa, and you can work there. And after a while, you can again start process for your citizenship or permanent residence. And about family, your, for example, spouse or your family members, look like your children, your dad, your mom, if you prove that you have enough money to cover their expenses, you can also call them to come to live with you in Germany. So for permanent residence in Germany, first of all, you need to have legal residence with all of these visas that we visit them, but not tourist visa, not tourist visa, but these visas, yes, with them, with enough time. And if you show financial independence, that means you should show uh, your taxes, you should show your, for example, save your salary, and you should prove that you can handle your life. So after that, we have integration, and after that we have permanent residence. But one thing that is very important about permanent residence, you need to know B1 German language, and you need to have uh, clear, that means about your crime, you should have clear documents about crime or anything in Germany. But same way with permanent residence is citizenship. That means in some countries, after you have permanent residence, you should again wait for some years, and after that you can start this process for citizenship. But about Germany, it is different. In Germany, you don't need even permanent residence because rules are same. After 5 years with B1, with clean record, you can start for permanent residence, and also you can start for citizenship. It's same. So too many people don't go for permanent residence, they go directly for citizenship in Germany. So you can see for German citizenship what you need: residence requirements, financial, self sufficiency, language, I told you B1 German, B1, and clean record, about clean criminal record you should have. With this four, you can go for permanent residence, and you can also go for uh, citizenship of Germany. And with citizenship of Germany, you can travel to more than 194 country without visa, and all states in Germany. You can work and live there. And after 5 years uh, of living in Germany, you can go for citizenship. So what's the steps? Entry, temporary residence, permanent residence, German citizenship. Again, 3 and 4 are close together. You can have both of them together at the same time. You don't need permanent residence because what you need requirements are same with German citizenship. It was Germany story. If you have any question about visa and visa types, please write in comment bar. I will answer them. Germany hasn't finished yet. We will go for next country after this video, but we will come back to Germany, to all cities and situation of each city, about the schools, universities, anything you need. So Germany's story hasn't finished yet. We will come back. If you have any question, please write, please like the video and share this video to your friends which they need to know about Germany or love to go Germany. See you very soon.